Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to another edition of the Maison d'Orient Perfumes. That's right, I received 3 different perfumes from Maison d'Orient, and they are of a particular brand and manufacturer, and we have already seen 2 boxes. We have already seen the Legacy Silver, which is like a fresh cut grass scent with some lemongrass and some other top notes in it. And then after that, we seen If or Afe. I'm not quite sure how you say this. It's an Italian cologne, smells wonderful, and it has patchouli and other flower scents in it, and it is my favorite so far. But now we have a new one to look at, and they're all made by Khalis, and this one here we're going to talk a little bit about, but let me get it open. And again, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I do all kinds of unboxings, and I do hauls, Temu hauls, and I also do reviews with Amazon and various different companies that send me products, including cosmetics and skincare and just all kinds of things. But today we're going to be talking about perfume and how we can smell really good. And this is the AZIZ. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce that, and I'm probably not the best pronouncer, okay? I guess with my little accent sometimes it can come off really, I guess, not that great. But I do want to tell you that this product runs currently $22.24. It is a 20 ml oil roll-on, and you can save 15% on your complete order with Miss Jackie Russell, and I will have that down in my description for you to see. And look at this pretty pink. Pink is my favorite color, as you all know. Isn't that beautiful? I really like that. And guys, these are roll-ons, and this is I want to say a strong scent. It says powerful freshness, and I would have to say that's probably a true sense of the word. The powerful freshness of AZIZ Perfume Oil Roll-On exudes new sensual and mysterious facets, amply renewing itself within the signature of an ingenious composition, grapefruit, lemon, as juicy and spirited as ever, invites new spicy notes to add fullness and sensuality as the woody ambery accords are wrapped in the smoky scents of leather for greater virility. Oh, that does smell. I would have to say that's a great description. Of course, they know what they're doing, right? Guys, this smells really good. The gender profile of this is a unisex, and it does lean toward the masculine, but it's got a very nice scent. The top notes are grapefruit, pink pepper, lemon, and mandarin. The middle notes are elemi, lavender, geranium, and magnolia. And the base notes are patchouli, musk, leather, tonka, woody, and amber. And the category is aromatic fougere. I'm not sure. It's F-O-U-G-E-R-E. I'm not sure if I know how to pronounce that. But this smells wonderful. And like I said, it is a 22 ml, and it even has some patchouli in there. I am a fan of patchouli, so I do like that. And I'm going to roll some of this on so I can let it get on my skin and see how it works. It is powerful, and even though it's a unisex and leans toward masculine, it smells good. It smells really good. And y'all probably wonder, why have I done this 3 different videos for 3 different perfumes when I could have just done it all on one? And the reason is I want to give you a true review of what I'm smelling. And you're hearing my little puppies over there. They're going to start waking up from their nap. But this smells really good. I don't know that I have anything like it. And the oils last 8 hours. I really like that. I'm surprised. I didn't think I'd like it because it was unisex and it said it leaned toward masculine. So I automatically thought I'm not going to like that. But I was automatically wrong. I do like this. This is very nice. Okay, now you guys are probably going to ask me what's my favorite, and I'm going to have to re-smell everything. But if you like a masculine or slightly masculine or leans toward masculine and unisex scent that's bold, what did it say? It was powerful. This is very nice. It's appealing with all those scents, the lemon and the grapefruit. So it's kind of like fruity and has a little bit of the patchouli. Now the if was a flower scent. Oh yeah, and I really like that. I'm not going to put it on, but my overall favorite is this one. I knew when I opened this up last time, and I'll have my links up there for you to go back and see them. But I knew when I opened this one, I'm a flowery type perfume person. So I knew that would be one of my favorites, and I still like it, and it does have the flower scents, and you can go back hear all about it in my other videos. And then this here is the one that smells like fresh cut grass, and we're in spring, so this is probably perfect for a lot of outdoorsy people. And it smells like fresh cut grass. It's got the lemongrass in it. It's kind of a light, fresh scent with the fresh cut grass. So this is very nice. And it's also unisex. So very, very nice. This one here is an Italian feminine perfume. So, and all the oils last 8 hours. So you have quite the collection here. And I like this one as far as packaging and the color. That's my favorite as far as packaging and color. And as far as scent, I like the if or the AIF. I'm not sure what that little dot over there, if it's AIF, but that is my favorite. But today we are featuring this one, and I do like it, much to my surprise. And I'm going to say it's my second favorite. You know, because I go by what I smell and what I like, and I like this. And if you want a powerful scent that smells really, really good and fruity, you would like this. So, and this one you would like it if you like to be outdoors and have the outdoorsy scent, and if you're an outdoorsy person. And this one here is for the romantic one in you. This is very floral, very, very pretty. So that is my review of all three, but specifically today my review of AZIZ, or AZIZ, maybe that's how you say that, AZIZ. It's a go. I like it. I think you'll like it too. So if you're interested, be sure and check out Maison d'Orient. Their slogan is where timeless and elegance meets a sensual inspiration for all their different colognes. And Khalis is one of their main brands, and of course they have other brands as well. They have numerous collections. So when you click on that link, you can directly go to these three and you can check them out and check out the other scents that they have. I think you will find that you'll like them, and they do last a while because I'll be smelling this for about 8 hours. But as for today, Maison d'Orient and the AZIZ Perfume Roll-On Oil, that's all I have today. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.